Afternoon. It certainly was a wet start to the day across many parts of the UK. This band of cloud worked its way across many parts, bringing some rain with it. The heaviest of the rain has been across Scotland in the last couple of hours, and it's moving fairly steadily northwards. I think it'll be quite a wet afternoon across the far north of Scotland. Some blustery showers following along behind, one or two of those getting into Northern Ireland, but many other western parts of the UK should brighten up through the afternoon with some spells of sunshine developing. However, to the Midlands and eastern England, I think it will stay fairly cloudy. Just a few spots of rain around, particularly in East Anglia and down towards the southeast. But still, 15 or 16 degrees is not too bad at all. But under the cloud and rain in Aberdeen, maybe just 8 degrees here. Overnight tonight, a lot of dry weather around, although we still will see just a little bit of rain across the far southeast. That becomes confined to the far south coast come first thing in the morning, but all the while the very strong winds and the blustery showers continue across the northwest. Could see gusts of wind of 60 or even 70 miles an hour across the Hebrides overnight tonight, but not particularly cold anywhere, no lower than say 5 degrees in the northeast. Through the morning there should be a lot of dry, bright weather around, some sunshine for many. However, along the south coast it's going to be a rather grey, a lot of cloud around, some low clouds, some fog too, and little bits of drizzle, and we'll keep it fairly grey here through the afternoon, but most places should be dry and bright, except in the far northwest. Again, some blustery showers here, those just working their way a little bit further inland through the afternoon. But noticeably warmer in Scotland, maybe 16 degrees in Aberdeen, 17s and 18s further south. But the real change begins on Saturday. This weather front will work its way northwards. Yes, it'll bring some rain, but it's also bringing some pretty warm air with it. So 20 degrees, I think, across the Midlands. And with that 20 degrees, a good deal of sunshine, although the south coast stays rather grey. The rain across the borders into Northern Ireland, that'll push its way northwards. It'll clear the north coast on Sunday, and by which stage the warm air will have spread to all of us. So 17 degrees across the central lowlands, maybe a 25 through the Midlands. And with that, we've got some thundery showers, and those will be working their way from west to east. Maybe a little bit of rain in the far northwest. Darren.